Hey everyone, this is Daniel here with BadgePass, and what we're going to do today is look at how to set up credentials. We're going to see the different kinds of credentials, how you can set those up, the different kinds of functionalities you have available for those. So to get started, let's go ahead and sign into your BadgePass One portal, and you'll be able to look at everything from there. So once you've signed in, make your way over to the database section and select Setup. Under here, you're gonna see a lot of different options in terms of settings. What we're gonna wanna look at is the credentials section here. So in the credentials section, you'll wanna just select that add button. And this is where you're gonna be able to see a lot of the different options in terms of how to set up credentials. Any ID or record or anything like that that comes from the BadgePass One system will need a credential assigned to it. So whether it's a photo ID or an access control card or something else, there's going to need to be a credential added. So let's go ahead and add a simple ID badge. We'll just call it ID badge. And what you'll see here is that you can type in the name and description of the type of credential you're creating, and then you'll select the type. So in this case, you could set up a PIN credential or a badge credential. In this case, we're gonna go ahead and select badge. When you do that, you'll notice that there's gonna be other drop-down menus that populate based on the information you're plugging in. So you'll notice here that you've got a BadgePass card, which is a smart card, or a mag stripe, or none. In this case, if we're just doing a standard photo ID badge with no card technology, we would select none, and then you could select add. And that would create the credential for just a standard photo ID. Now let's go ahead and look at an access control credential. You'll do the same process. We're gonna go ahead and label this one an ID badge with access control, and then we'll go ahead and select the badge type, and then select the technology. In this case, we can select a BadgePass card, and notice that there's gonna be facility codes, serial numbers, or unique IDs to determine what type of information you're trying to pull from this card technology. In most cases, the badge number and facility code will be what's necessary for an access control system. Now let's say that you're wanting to do a mag stripe. If you want to do that, you just select mag stripe and then select the track that you want the information to be placed in. Or you could also select all if needed. So those are the different ways that you can select the different types of card technologies for your different types of badges here available in your system. So go ahead and select that BadgePass card, and we'll go ahead and select the badge number and facility code. This will mean that it'll be fully functional with your BadgePass One access control system that's integrated already into BadgePass One. Once you do that, you can select add, and then you're good to go. Now all you got to do is set up your issuance rules, and you'll be all set to start printing on your BadgePass One system.